These apple trees are in full blossom. The fragrance is subtle. The weather is beautiful. And we're grafting fruit trees. What a great day to be alive. The Iowa Nut Growers Association and Trees Forever hosted a grafting workshop on Saturday, May 6th at East Holbrook Chestnut Grove near Parnell, Iowa. New and experienced growers met for this grafting get-together to learn about grafting techniques, to build their skills, and even take home a couple of their very own grafted apple and pear trees. Our grafting instructor is Dr. Scott Redlin, who has a background in horticulture and experience in the commercial nursery industry. His doctorate in plant pathology was received from North Dakota State University in Fargo. Most of his career was with the United States Department of Agriculture, where he conducted research on plant diseases and facilitated the export of U.S. crops to foreign countries. Dr. Redlin retired in 2014 and resides in Coralville with his wife, Mary. Special thanks to Scott for joining us today, and he's more than 50 miles from home, so we can call him our expert. Scott is giving us the basics on why to graft, how to graft, post-graft care, and of course, knife safety. Although I did see him bring some Band-Aids in his grafting kit. Lucky for us, no one needed it for this grafting get-together. Today we're learning the whip and tongue graft, the cleft graft, bark inlay grafting, and bud grafting, sometimes called chip budding. I won't go into the details of each technique. After all, that's why we have Scott as our instructor. But I will put a link in the description of this video to a great presentation and YouTube video done by Iowa State University horticulturalist Patrick O'Malley, who does an absolutely fantastic job teaching the whip and tongue and chip budding grafts. I highly encourage you to check it out. Let's take a look and learn more.
You want to use buds that are nice, firm, and dormant. It'll just give you a little extra chance. I'll take that one off. Again, I'm cutting the flat blade towards this. And I'll use for a cleft graft, okay, there's a good bud there. Notice I've kept a little stub there. That also helps it from drying out. And then I'll use this graft. If I'm careful, I'll leave a little stub there, but then this area is the working area. I'll make this into a wedge. Now in cleft grafting,
two buds?
this is just two buds, that's all there are. You can use more if you'd like, but you probably have a good enough chance with that.
And it's a 1-year growth.
Yes, this is all 1-year growth. Signwood is usually 1-year growth. I'm making it into kind of a wedge.
Grafting tools can be a nice addition to the grafter's toolkit and provide a consistent way to notch scion wood and rootstocks so that the fit is tight and the union strong for the healing tissue to join the two pieces. Participants got plenty of practice making pear and apple grafts to take home. Let's see how they did. Events like this are what make the membership in the Iowa Nut Growers Association so fun. If you're not a member yet, contact our membership secretary, Sheila Weldon. It's only $20 per year, the best investment you can make. While we've been doing bench grafting here in the shed, our host Elena tells us that the bark is starting to slip on some pawpaw trees out in the orchard. So off we go to do some field grafting on some already planted trees. To learn more about field grafting with Elena, check out the video link in the description below. That's going to do it from East Holbrook Chestnut Grove and a nutty good time with the Iowa Nut Growers Association. Have a great day, everyone, and remember, eat more nuts.